Grand Rising, everyone. It is Shalonda, and yeah, I don't know. I just woke up. I don't know, from a strange dream or whatever, and feeling real like stuffy and stuff. It's real windy out. The heck? Yeah, it's real windy out or whatever. And I don't know. I just have this feeling. It's like a feeling of a shift or something like that. And there's just all this energy that's around. I don't know. It's making me think like, I don't know why I keep hearing the lizard with the ladder. Okay. I don't know what the fuck. Okay. But, yeah. I don't know what it's trying to tell me, but I feel like this have to do with a feminine, because I'm thinking back at like a stalker energy. Oh, okay, hold on. So I'm thinking back, about, things like in my childhood or whatever. And how I remember how like certain people met or whatever. And there was an incident where somebody had a female had taken. And I feel like this is the entrance of whatever this shit, this weird shit that started happening in my family. This was it. And, there was a male figure, older figure in my life, was with somebody, and I remember he didn't want to mess with this person no more, and he was going to move on or whatever, and this person put a ladder up to the window, and I thought that was the most craziest shit I ever heard in my life. And so I know I had been thinking about how things was going on around here, and then I remember at one point in time, after somebody had the vid, you know what I'm saying, they started to like want to put stuff over the windows and stuff like that. And then tonight I realized this person was like locking the windows and shit. And I'm like, nah, motherfucker, you believe in different beings here. Okay. You believe. And so I went back and I thought about even school, being in high school. And I think it was this female named Vanessa or whatever. And I think she was like a stalker, or she really liked the guy that I was with or whatever. But I don't know. I think like in the background, I don't know. I just think for some reason I went on Instagram just a minute ago, and she was, how somebody be like looking at you like, I don't know, man. It's almost like some kind of mission. Something just happened, dude. And it's like the masculine, was going through something. And like, again, in the sleep realm, I feel like, I don't know, maybe I was stuck and bound to the sleep realm where I was stuck and people could come and affect me, right? And I think that in his sleep realm, he was taking flight, okay? I don't know why, y'all. This is something that's just telling me. Maybe because the dream got whisked away before I could even catch it, okay? And I feel like now something has changed or been cut off, or something is going back into normal. Something is changing. And now all of those energies, all of those, I don't know, I don't want to say like vampiric energies, but like blood suckers or something. Like it's like a trippy, like Pulp Fiction type of fucking I don't know, but whatever was happening then, is like something is happening now. So we're this, like I said, like the flighty energy or whatever. All right. Like the Empress just being there. Okay. But if you really think about it, she on a pedestal, and people want to come to her. Okay. Like the mob can either be angry towards her, or they could be longing for her. Right. Is what I'm starting to see maybe. So now that whatever was done. Now this is time like for whatever to come home and roost or whatever. But it's just fucked up because, if in this lifestyle or in this way, when in your wake mode, you don't know nothing. You don't know who the fuck was in your dream mode, nothing. So now it's like you got to sleep with fucking both eyes open. I don't know. But I'm feeling like I noticed that this person was, checking the windows, right, today. And I remember it made me think about this thing about, I keep seeing some clip or whatever of some feminine energy being like somebody, a certain celebrity having like a stalker or whatever. And it's interesting to me. It's interesting to me because even talking vampiric energy and thinking about, like Collins or Collins Way or Collinsville, I don't know, some shit like this. I don't know. Okay. All I know is I'm trying to see if, how like It's like we are one or we are Negan. Do you know the shit I'm talking about? Okay. And it's kind of like, I can't figure out if the masculine here is afraid now because now he's starting to see the effects of whatever was going on. And then I don't know if I should be, because it's almost like maybe, I don't know. I'm hearing I got niggas and you got bitches, okay? Or both vice versa, whatever the fuck, okay, is what I'm hearing. And I'm just like, wait a minute. But it's feeling like, the way out is like, I don't know, it's like marriage or something like that. Like, I feel like something's talking about some consummation here, okay? And I don't know. I just can't tell you what I'm feeling. I'm just feeling like, again, the sneaky, quiet one that haven't been saying much, possibly Gemini. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. Is that part of like somebody tricking Sheba into their bed? Okay. That's all I'm going to say. It's that part. But I feel like, I don't know. I'm feeling like I'm dealing with the dark. I think some swapping, I'm dealing with the dark energy of the desperate, like, I want your ass now energy of the Gemini. Okay. Yeah. Almost like, I'm not letting go. Almost like, what the fuck you say? Like, that's what I feel like. And then when it comes to, what I'm saying, when it comes to the Scorpio, I think the Scorpio may be dealing with, a crazy person or something. And, yeah. Okay. And I might be dealing with an abusive, crazy person. And I don't know. Shit. Because I feel like lately the Gemini been playing in his magician bag. But they both could be. You see what I'm saying? But I think it's just it's chaos. In the beginning, the earth was first. And it was a chaotic, this what the fuck is going on here, okay? This is what it is. And the spiritual essence of it. And, again, I think, yeah, this could be really bad or whatever. So, when I look at that, because I feel like this is my twin, or these are my twins, and one is my soulmate. So whatever is going on with them, you know what I'm saying, it does kind of affect me. But I feel like there's like something that's supposed to be like solid, like something, man. Something that's supposed to be solidified, but I'm in fear of what, like I don't, like I can't, because I'm not 100% sure as to what the fuck we really talking about. You see what I'm saying? It's that push-pull energy. It's that, is the shit here and now? Or is it, you know what I'm saying? Get the fuck out. You see what I'm saying? Because there's no clear, and I feel so horrible because there's no clear fucking communication. It's just not. So I would, it's like I'll never know. And it's just like the action just had to be just taken. It's like Action Jackson. Like, what the fuck? Okay? At this point. At this point, motherfuckers got to talk real motherfucking clear. Like, motherfuckers got to be real motherfucking crystal clear. All right? So, it's like somebody gonna have to make a bold motherfucking move. You understand? Because I don't know. Some part of me is just like, everything is okay or whatever. Just go back to normal and just go back into what but I just, I can't. The only way I could do that is if that was, you know what I'm saying? If we talking like, like, because I was doing that video on like skin walking or whatever, skin crawlers or whatever the fuck they're called, and sleepwalking and stuff like that. And so again, it's like the only way, like I said, that I could stay here is if I knew for a fact, you know what I'm saying, that was my look, invasion of body snatchers. You know what I'm saying? I'm just wondering, dude. I'm just tripping. You know what I'm saying? I'm seeing the shit real clear though. I'm seeing something real clear, but at the same time, it's just like, I'm not. Like the only thing I can see is a way. You see what I'm saying? The only thing I can see is a way. I mean, things have calmed down. People's attitude has changed. It's almost like a demonic spirit has left the building, you know what I'm saying, out of somebody's fucking body, okay? But at the same time, it's like, yeah. At the same time, if I knew that something had changed and that was the actual real, genuine twin flame, I would probably feel more like, okay, you need to stay where you at. You know what I'm saying? But I don't know if I feel that way. I feel like something is a trick. Something is a trick. Okay? And I also feel there's an outside energy, a really strong person, like a fighter, a professional fighter form or something like that. And that person could get real pissed off. That's what I feel like. I don't know why I just heard Street Fighter, like the fucking video game. Okay? I feel like that's the case. And the thing is, it's a senseless energy because I'm not picking up on that person, but I know that they're there. Like it's like somebody that's there that have no movement and they just watching, and then they just adding up whatever might be being done that you're not even aware of, and then they just come in and they just charge or abuse or whatever. Like I don't know. So again, when I reflect on energies and if I see like that person has a stalker, like is everybody dealing with this stalker energy now? You know what I'm saying? And it's just like it's fucked up. Because I feel like somebody opened up the gates or something up in this motherfucker, okay? But I feel like at the same time, it reminded me of that episode in Lucifer when they were saying that he changed the game where, you know, demons can't, where spirits can't go into people's body and use them to do, you know, they were, at some point in time, I guess people can go into people's body and enjoy their life. And so somebody cut that shit off, all right? Lucifer cut it off. And so now, okay, yeah, okay. But I feel like, you know, like I said, maybe this has to do with some kind of doorway or something here. Yeah. But it could be a trick because there could be somebody else in that door too. And they might, you know, and that's going to like maybe seal the deal. You know, it's always last minute, man. And I'm always the last motherfucker to get the invitation. And I'm just like, fuck it, man. Tell you, this shit is sick. All I want is the regular shit. That's it. All I want is, that's it. If it's supposed to be a connection, some type of meeting or something, that's what the fuck I want to do and move on with my fucking life. Like, this is the part where you must get closure. Somebody must break the rules. Somebody must do something because somebody must not really be getting it because something must be wrong. And that's what the fuck I'm saying. Something must be wrong. So someone's going to have to do something. To physically, like in this real life, this real fake life, you know, to assist an empress and possibly a child. Somebody's going to have to say something. There's no more fucking guessing games. So if whatever is sealed and is solidified and it is what it is, then somebody needs the game plan. Or else somebody is not going to survive. Somebody has to have the rule book. Somebody cannot be the one that's not included anymore. They have to fucking have the rule book. Something is wrong. Someone is fucking powerful and they've had too much time to be powerful over someone while everybody has been attacking someone. This person's power also has grown over that person. And so it's like, again, when people shit on you to whatever and then don't realize that, you know, all that shit they piled on you, it just, you know. And that's what I'm saying, man, about that whole energy of leaving the motherfucker like defenses, like going in and tapping into somebody's shit, taking something from them that they're not aware of, leaving them vulnerable and defenseless and leaving them out in the open. That's like a fucked up situation. Because you don't know how far the damage has been done. You don't know. And that's what I'm saying. Now, whatever has been severed. And now it's like whatever this is, it's going to be a way unfair fight unless somebody does something. And I feel like it's going to be that whole chaotic mass right there. I feel like that's what can lead to, I'm hearing tales from the dark side, okay? And the people don't know that the one that they've been piling all that shit on is maybe the coldest motherfucker in there. And I'm just wondering who the fuck it is, because it feel close, motherfucker, is it me? You understand? Because I feel like it's just been a good time. And something is happening right now where something is saying, I don't know if the ancestors like, oh, hold the fuck on. This ain't what my baby do. We can show you what the fuck my baby will do. I really do. I really do feel that. And I'm scared of that shit because I don't know what the fuck that shit is. You see what I'm saying? I don't know why the fuck I keep on seeing Mr. T in the A-team. But I'd rather not be oblivious this time. Whatever the fuck that means, that's the fuck what I need. I'd rather not be oblivious this time. I need to know. I need to be able to see. I need to be able to protect myself. Everybody should have that right. If things are changing in this world and there's some other dimension,